What's up guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn account. So guys, if you'd like to learn more about how to use LinkedIn and navigate around the ins and the outs of LinkedIn, then I'd recommend that you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like, because I'll be creating an entire playlist showing you how to use LinkedIn. So let's get started with our first tutorial here, showing you how to create a LinkedIn account. So all you have to do, open up your browser guys and type in LinkedIn.com. You'll head right over to the LinkedIn official website, right? You will see it's loading for a moment here, and all you have to do really is just simply go ahead and accept the terms, connect, accept whatever pops up. And if you're doing it for the first time, you will notice that it asks you to actually sign in with your Gmail if you have a Gmail account, and you just need to go ahead and sign in into your account. And that's the first step. It is very easy. It is super simple how you can create a LinkedIn account or a LinkedIn profile. And from there, we'll be showing you how to basically do various things with your LinkedIn profile. Now, I'm going to show you as well what it looks like if you've never signed in before. So let me quickly sign on to my account right here and sign out fully. And yeah, once you're at the website, the official website of LinkedIn, you will see it look just like this, guys. You don't even have to have the home there. Let me just backspace a bit so that you can see. You will see it look just like this. That's what you would see when you visit the website for the first time. And as you can see, you can continue with your Microsoft account. You can continue with your Gmail account, as you see there. And it will even appear on the upper right hand side, you can simply continue. So I'm going to go ahead and click and continue, and it's going to sign me in to LinkedIn using my Gmail account. And you will see it looks just like this once you appear. And from here, you will just need to go ahead and start to basically customize your profile, build your network and all those good stuff. So if you'd like to learn more about LinkedIn, go ahead and give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to learn. Of course, if you subscribe to the channel, you'll be able to see the playlist that I'll be creating with various tutorials showing you how to really use LinkedIn. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.